Hello everybody, welcome back to Sassy Granny Vlogs. We're starting another vlog. This is still Thursday though, but I actually finished that other video, got it to 20 minutes. I'm cutting up potatoes here, and for our supper tonight, we got roast in the crock pot. It's actually left over from the other night. Let's see, I might want to cut that one again. We're just adding more potatoes to it because I think we ate all the potatoes out of it the other day. So I'm going to add some more potatoes. So I'm just cutting them up small here to put them in. Okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. My Gracie girl still hasn't got here. And the weather people had said there was going to be rain today. Well, it hadn't rained up till just before I turned this video on when I started cutting my potatoes. It started raining, but it stopped right away too, unless it's just like really now. It was enough that I could hear it a while ago. And I may have seen like a very little bit of it. But now I don't hear it and I don't see it, but it still could be doing like a misty rain out there. So use that part. I know I get some real small and I leave some big. I don't know how to get them all the same size. This one's looking too big to me. Maybe even that one. I don't know. It probably don't matter. There's another bad spot. Okay, so after I do this, I hadn't got me nothing to eat yet. I'm kind of feeling woozy a little bit at my stomach. So I don't quite know if I need to eat. And I seen what time it was and seen it was time to do this anyway. So I'm going ahead and doing this. It's like a little bit after 12 now, and he wanted me to do this around lunch. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to look and see what I've got to eat and see if there's anything that I feel like my stomach can handle right now. But it's kind of feeling a little woozy, like I'm a little nauseated a bit. Like I may not can eat, I don't know. I just really don't know. So try to leave them big like that. So, if I can find something, I'll eat, and if I can't, then I guess I won't, because I don't know. I don't like the way my stomach's feeling right now. Alright, I have one more little bitty small potato here to peel. I mean not peel, chop up. I'm going to wash them off, put them in the crock pot. I'm going to leave those. Okay, so now we're out of potatoes. Alright guys, I'll let you go for now. We'll see y'all in the next clip. back is hurting and killing me. And I'm not able to stand here long at one time and do dishes. A lot of them. Oh, my back. Oh, I got the potatoes on in the crock pot with the roast. So that's going. Oh, Lord. Whew. Oh, that's going to be about all I can do right now. I'm going to organize these a little bit more. I'm going to do the silverware. I'll do this saucer. Oh, God. Okay. Whew, there's silverware, and then that's all I can handle for right now. I'll have to rest and maybe do some more later. Whew. It's bad when you get so old and get a lot of stuff wrong with you that you can't hardly do simple things anymore. Oh, God. Come on, get in there. All right. That is it. I can't do anymore. Whew. Now I'll see if I can find something I can eat. See y'all in the next clip. Okay, so I'm just going to, all I feel like I can do, and then I feel like I can't really do a lot of this, is my cottage cheese and some yogurt and plain water. All I can handle right now, the way my stomach feels. So this is my lunch for right now. I'll probably have to get something else to eat later before hubby gets home tonight to eat supper. Being I'm not eating a whole lot. If my stomach settles down, you know. But anyway, because he'll probably work late. He always does. Alright, I'll see you on the next clip. Here I was using hubby's new massager he got for Christmas from Elizabeth. And my left hip was hurting me that day real bad. So I put it stretches out and lays down. But I just kind of put it to the side of my hip there, using it on it. It was a day Gracie girl was here, and she was watching cartoons and eating a sandwich, sitting up on the back of the couch. And so that's what we were doing.
Who won that one?
Me.
Oh. Okay. You ready?
Wait.
We got.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Me.
Yep. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
I hope I won.
All right, let's go.
1, 2. You win.
Me and hubby went to Walmart Friday night to swap out Lena's Christmas gift. And also I got my mom and my two sisters a little something. I had actually meant to vlog in Walmart, but I was really tired and hurting. I only went out to do this because I had to, because I was tired and hurting so bad. I normally wouldn't have went, but we needed to get this stuff done because Saturday I was going to spend the day with my mom, and I needed to take her and my oldest sister's gift to them. And so we went to Walmart, but I meant to vlog in the store and totally forgot to because I was tired and hurting. So y'all just get this little trip on the way there. So hopefully you can enjoy that anyway.
WWL-TV Chief Meteorologist Chris Franklin will be back with the local weather expert forecast. The lineup for the New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival is out, and organizers say this year they are packed.
I am visiting with Mama today. This is Saturday. And I come to see Mama and give her and Charlotte their Christmas presents late. But we're in her room. She's got cute bicycles on her wall. We've got a nice warm cozy heater going over here right by me, hitting me. Feels so good. Dashy Boy is in here with us. Saturday night, after we got back in town from me visiting Mama, me and hubby went out to eat. We used our gift card we got from Laverne, hubby's brother, for Christmas to eat out at the Melts. That's where we went to eat, and we had fun. The food was good. They had a game in the back, and it was checkers, and me and hubby played checkers, and of course he won. Pooey. Oh well, it was fun anyway. So y'all enjoy this little look into our eating out, and there's the checker game we played. And I'll be showing y'all the food in a little bit.
I would
too.
think we wouldn't supposed to be on the
Okay.
Yeah,
dog.
but I can't see it on there. See like that?
Oh.
I can't really see where you at.
Okay.
Same difference. Right.
This is our supper tonight.
I'm gonna find something else to eat later on. With it.
Boba. That's a milkshake, ain't it? And he's winning. He's got all my things almost.
Okay, everybody, this is just the closeout of this vlog. This is late night, or rather early morning, of the late night is Sunday night. The early morning is Monday morning. Hubby's already in the bed. It's after 1 o'clock. I'm still up. What's new? I've just been watching videos and trying to make a few little plans and stuff like that. I am getting ready to yawn. Hang on. That's not really what I was going to say, but I felt a yawn coming. Okay. I guess I did. Every time I start to talk, I feel like, yeah, here it goes. So sorry. Okay. So, what was I saying? Oh, I'm getting ready to settle down. I've done took all my medicine and everything. I'm going to read. But I finished a good book I was reading last night. Now, when I say book, I hardly ever read the real books you hold anymore. And that's sad, to me anyway. I find all my free books on my phone and read them on my phone. Sorry. It helps me while I'm laying there on my phone, holding it and reading, laying in bed all covered up, cozy and warm, to get sleepy, where I can go off to sleep. So then I just turn my phone off and lay it down, take my glasses off, and go to sleep. So that's how I read my books now. And so I finished one last night, and I get to start another one tonight, and I'm excited about that. So I'm going to start another good book tonight. So I'm getting ready to go lay down and get comfy and read my book. So tomorrow I will start. This finishes up my third video. So tomorrow I will upload the first one of these 3, but I will also be starting to vlog my clips for my 4th vlog. So I hope y'all are enjoying my vlogs, and I really do wish y'all would let me know in the comments. Like, tell me if you like this style vlogs. If I'm showing more of what I'm doing, I think I am. And then if it is interesting to you, it's something that interests me when I watch vlogs and how I see them. So I hope y'all do too. So let me know. And maybe let me know some things y'all would like to see in my vlogs. I'd appreciate that too. Alright guys, so I'm going to say goodnight, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog starting tomorrow. Toodaloo!